Hey you guys, this is A640. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video because this is a Gizmo. I don't know why mom bought me it, but she just gave it to me and say there's like a Gizmo. I do not really like this, but I decided to do it for YouTube. So let's open it in 1, 2, 3. Just wait a moment. Just let me get scissors. Yep, finally got the scissors. Now cut in it. Let's get the thing out. Directions. We need this. So let's see what can this plastic card do. So, oh cool! It allows you to add stickers. So it allows you to decorate your car. That's the cool part. But I'm not gonna do anything to it because I'm gonna let my friend Darrell have it, so he can like train me the Robin toy or the Flash toy, because he really has cool toys. And I hope you enjoy this unboxing video. So leave comments down below, subscribe to my channel. So peace.